Good evening and welcome to the TradeXchange market wrap up for Wednesday, September 21st, 2016. Let's jump right into the action this afternoon, primarily set this afternoon. As you know, FOMC left rates unchanged. And you see on the right-hand side the action in the SPYs. You saw a little bit of weakness going into the flat range coming into the afternoon, early afternoon, and going into the 2 o'clock hour when the FOMC announced. Certainly we did see a decrease of volume coming into that announcement, but certainly when we saw that announcement leaving rates unchanged, so quite a bit of volume coming in and really consistent and upward trend in the SPYs, and we did see strength in the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and the Nasdaq finishing rather strongly towards the end of the day. We did see West Texas Intermediate crude. Let's show you that right there. The USO, West Texas Intermediate crude, finishing higher by 3.41% at 45.55. Gold higher as well by 1.46%. Silver higher by over 3% in trading today. The 10-year yield, folks, to 1.668%. We did see some interesting volatility in the 10-year yield. And the DXY, the dollar index, lower by 0.048% at 95.555. Keep in mind, from West Texas Intermediate crude, the larger story here is that we are expecting that Algeria OPEC meeting on the 28th of this month. So we'll see continued volatility in crude oil going into that. Lots of opinions what's going to happen. A lot of commentaries from OPEC, non-OPEC nations coming into that meeting. So again, should be continued very interesting activity for at least another week or so in terms of volatility. For your economic calendar for tomorrow, we do have the Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 8:30, National Initial Jobless Claims, and the FHFA House Price Index, Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index at 9:45, leading indicators at 10, EIA Natural Gas Report at 10:30, and at 4:30 we'll have your money supply and Fed balance sheet. Some headlines of note during the day. We did have Caesars Entertainment and its sponsors proposed to increase contributions to CEOC's restructuring plan. That's CZR. PCRX, Pacira Pharmaceuticals, announces official launch of Exparel. Again, that's in PCRX. IOC and XOM Interoil shareholders overwhelmingly approve ExxonMobil transaction. Taking a look at your option activity, we did have some activity in OAS, ARRS, NVAX, and PRLB and MNST. Remember, when you're seeing call activity on the offer, tends to be a bullish sentiment. Put activity on the offer tends to be a bearish sentiment. Certainly reverse of that as well. Call activity on the bid and put activity on the bid. Getting into company filings and insider transactions, BPI seen SC13G filed in the name. On merger and risk ARB, we did have DEPO, ININ, MON, and STJ information today. Firm merger brief also on schedules in terms of CSC and HPE, and tomorrow on deck MDVN and PFE HSR expires, and RAD WBA Rite Aid earnings. For your reading today, we did have a really great piece from Steve Straza on the FOMC, and that is included in our market wrap-up, folks. Definitely, if you're a subscriber, you will get this first in a recap of today's day. Also, we wanted to highlight a few things from Zozo Level Watch Alert. Well, let's highlight that right now. We'll begin with CONN. Put that right there. CONN. We had a level watch alert over $11.52. And you see that where that blue arrow is, breaking through that level at 11.52, where that white line is. Again, that's in CONN. Quite impressive showing there from Zozo Level Watch Alert. Also, let's show you MBLY. level watch alert over $42.76. Again, that's your blue arrow there, and your level there at 42.76. Again, that's an MBLY MobileYe. And let's jump into CRC. California Resources, CRC, over $10.27. I see some nice volume coming through. That's that level 1027, and some nice follow through on the upside. Again, that's in CRC, MBLY, CONN in level watch alert from Zozo. Level watch alert. Folks, thanks for checking in. Thanks for listening to the Trade Exchange market wrap up for the 21st of September 2016. Wishing everyone a very pleasant evening.